What's up everybody? Sean Profera here with Roland DG, and I've got a whole lineup of our TrueViz family printers behind me, but today we're going to focus a little bit more on the LG-640, which is our 64-inch wide hybrid printer cutter utilizing UV ink. And we'll take a little bit of a deeper dive into why UV ink is very unique and its capabilities and why it might be a better fit for you and its applications. The uniqueness and versatility of the LG-640 really comes with the Eco UV ink system. So today we're rocking an 8-color system. You can see that it's CMYK. We're utilizing a wider expanded color gamut with the orange and red included into that, and then the gloss and white. There's a couple other configurations that are available as well. If we want to maximize our output, we can really go with a dual CMYK setup. But for total versatility, kind of a Swiss Army setup, we're going with a full 8-color with utilizing the gloss and white. With the 750 milliliter ink capacity for each one of these cartridges, it's truly set up for production. So with a dual 4-color setup, we can achieve speeds of upwards of 340 square feet an hour, or with the 8-color configuration like we have here, we can achieve speeds of over 170 square feet an hour in true production print quality modes. So along with the UV inks comes the UV light, and that's how the inks are cured directly to the material or substrate that it's printing on, much like large UV flatbed printers, but on a roll-to-roll system. So what's beautiful about this is the fact that we have this integrated with the cutter. So not only can we print to so many different films or substrates and medias, is that we can also contour or kiss cut those films for many applications, whether it's short run packaging, POP displays on thin cardstock materials, or roll-to-roll stuff for really cool, unique, embellished stickers and whatnot. So the versatility of this unit really does come with the fact that it's a printer cutter and utilizing the UV lamps and the UV light. Another unique feature of the LG-640, or a feature on all of our print cut units actually, is the perf cut function, which is actually performing right now. And the perf cut function acts as a little bit more aggressive than the kiss cut. And it's exactly that. It's actually a perforated contour cut all the way through the face film as well as the liner, which is going to give us a really cool ability to be able to just pop out our decals or labels or our signage that we're printing. Staying consistent with the rest of the TrueViz family printers, we've got features like the 7-inch LCD screen over here that allows us to set up the media, calibrate the media, as well as do any calibrations for like the tool carriage, for adjusting the pressure of the knife blade. Being a 64-inch printer, we also have 8 pinch rollers across the platen to allow for very accurate tracking. And we've got really neat features like the auto raising pinch roller feature. So what that means is when this goes to actually perform a cut, after printing, the pinch rollers will actually lift up automatically to not allow for any tire tracking or anything of that across the media. So with very unique features like that, it makes this whole system very easy to use. Again, much like the rest of our TrueViz printers. So for more information on the LG UV series printer cutters from Roland, get a hold of your local Roland dealer or visit us at rolanddga.com for more information.